I'm Ashley with Grey Wolf by Cherokee. Today we're going to take a look at the 18RR Black Label with the Adventure Package. Let's take a look. Moving into the interior on the 18RR Black Label, you can see that this is a rear ramp model. What that means is that you will have a ramp door on the back of your unit that will allow you easy access into the main area for motorcycles, four-wheelers, kayaks, any items that you have that you want to take with you on your trip. As you can see here, you have your seating area, which does come with a table, and your kitchen area. This seating can also be used as a sleeping space. When you're traveling with your items in the unit, you can flip this up and it will go flush against the wall so you have plenty of space. Something new for this year is you can actually detach this seating section entirely and take it out of the unit in case you need extra width for whatever you're traveling with. As we move into the kitchen area, you can see our new cabinetry colors and our new hardware for this year. Because this is a black label, you have your upgraded countertop. In all of our Grey Wolves, you have your farmhouse style sink with your sprayer and 3-burner cooktop with this extra glass cover so you have plenty of counter space. Another new item for this year is our new linoleum color. As we move forward in the unit, you also have this huge full-size pantry for all of your food and drinks, anything you need to store in there. You have your 12-volt refrigerator. This is 11 cubic feet, so you have plenty of space for your food and drinks. Something great about the 12-volt refrigerators is that they run, of course, on electric when you're hooked up at your campsite, but they'll also run on the Cherokee Juice Pack system. For this year, the Cherokee Juice Pack system includes a 100-watt solar panel, your battery, and your battery disconnect. As you move forward in the unit, you have your bathroom area. We're always trying to think of your needs, so something great about this bathroom is you have a little extra counter space. You also have a medicine cabinet and cabinetry under your sink for some extra storage. Because this is a black label model, you also have your upgraded shower head. Something really cool for this year was we added tankless hot water heaters, so you'll have constant on-demand hot water for you and your family. Moving forward, you have your bedroom area with your full bank of cabinetry. You do have your wardrobe here from some extra hanging space. This bed will lift up so you can access a huge storage area from inside the unit or also from the exterior cargo door. Something that we'd really like to highlight in this particular model and all of the Grey Wolf models is the Cherokee Total Control system. The Cherokee Total Control will allow you to control your lights, slide outs, awnings, and your backup camera all from your cell phone. In addition to that, you have this Bluetooth radio by Driven, so you'll be able to play all of your favorite music right off of your cell phone. As we move to the exterior of the unit, you can see that this is in the black label package, so you'll have your fiberglass exterior sidewall, your tinted frameless windows, and also magnetic cargo doors. This particular unit also has the Adventure Package, which includes a 2-inch frame lift, the diamond plate, which you can see here around the bottom of the unit, and also off-road tires. On this model and all of our Grey Wolf models, you'll have your outside entertainment setup, so your TV hookup, your speakers, all of your power outlets, as well as your power awning with your blue LED lights, the Cherokee stable step, and the Cherokee exclusive glass door. Thank you for watching this video on the Grey Wolf 18RR Black Label. For more information on this model and all of our Grey Wolf models, please visit our website at forestriver.inc.com/Grey Wolf.